Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch 5G off or on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. This method should work with all Samsung Galaxy devices, at least the most recent ones running One UI. It's really quite simple. You pull down your notification shade, pull down again, and then at the top right you have a cog for settings. Tap on that, and once you've done that, click on Connections, or tap on Connections. Once you've tapped on Connections, tapped on Mobile Networks, and once you've clicked on Mobile Networks, tap on Network Mode. You'll see that you have auto connect options for 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G. In my case, the 5G option is on by default. But if you want to click on the 4G one, the one that doesn't have 5G, that will switch 5G off. This is particularly useful if you're traveling places where, whilst roaming, you don't have access to 5G networks, or you just want to maybe save a bit of battery life, because sometimes 5G can use more power. It's up to you. But yeah, it's as simple as what we walked through. Likewise, if you want to switch 5G on, it's a question of pulling down the notification shed, cog, connections, mobile networks, tap on network mode, tap on the version with 5G, 4G, 3G and 2G, and then once you've done that, you'll have 5G back on. So we hope this quick video on how to switch 5G off or on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is useful to you. If you'd like to know more, if you have questions about this, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you, and if we can't answer you or we think it's a good enough idea, we'll do a dedicated video about that area of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.